Hello, dear investor. Welcome to the final episode on this playlist. We are currently learning about the 8 types of mutual funds based on investment goals. Today, we will discover pension funds. What are pension funds? The dual goals of pension funds are to provide long-term capital appreciation and a steady stream of income to investors after they retire. Hence, they are also known as retirement funds. They may be equity-based, debt-based, or hybrid. Investors may prefer to invest a lump sum at one go or choose systematic investment planning to create their corpus. The lock-in period for these funds is either 5 years or till retirement age. Benefits of pension funds. Pension funds offer 2 main advantages: 1. Long-term capital appreciation, and 2. Post-retirement income. Besides, they offer flexibility to investors to choose asset allocation as per their risk appetite. Finally, many retirement funds are also tax efficient. Risk and reward. The risk-reward ratio of pension funds depends on the choice of asset allocation strategy. Equity-based funds pose higher risks and have the potential to yield higher returns. Debt funds pose lower risk and give lower returns, while hybrid funds offer good returns with a safety net. Best suited for. These funds help investors meet their retirement planning goals. They are best suited for those with a long-term investment horizon, ideally over 10 years. This concludes our series on mutual funds categorized by investment goals. Just to recap, we learnt about growth, income, liquid, tax saving, aggressive growth, capital protection, fixed maturity and pension funds in this series. Like and subscribe to the NSDL channel to view more videos that simplify personal finance for you. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.